Hello friends, welcome to my channel Game of Trades. Today is 7th of January 2018 and I will be analyzing Axis Bank. This is one of the query in my WhatsApp group. First, see the disclaimer. Whatever information you are viewing through this YouTube channel is entirely for educational purpose, and any trade that you wish to take upon based on suggestions made here is entirely your responsibility, and I can't be held legally responsible for your profit or loss. So this is Axis Bank weekly chart. Now, if you see this chart, it has been on bull run since 2005, and though there had been some corrections, but it has managed to go up. But since last 2 years, so this is this is February 2015, it is here consolidating. If I talk in terms of Elliott waves, this is wave 1, wave 2, and this steep move is wave 3. Now this is what we call ending diagonal in Elliott wave theory. Now this ending diagonal usually tells that the original trend is now ending. The and if you see this, only this part of the chart, currently the price is just oscillating here between these two trend lines. If we go to daily chart, then we see that here top formation happened, but then from this level it did not break down. Able to it was able to go up, and then it is now trading in this very small range. Now, if I see the history of what Axis Bank has been doing, even though Bank Nifty, I have told several times that I am bullish on Bank Nifty and Nifty, but then Axis Bank is one of the laggard which is not showing a strength. So in terms of trading in Axis Bank, I personally is not trading on Axis Bank nowadays. Previously I was trading, but nowadays Axis Bank is one bank where I am not touching because this is not showing a strength. Bank Nifty is showing a strength, but not Axis Bank. So it's better that I will take my positions. If I have to trade any bank, then I will take positions on any bank which is showing a strength when Bank Nifty is showing a strength. This is currently just an oscillation, and possibly this may break down. That is what I am expecting. So I am not trading Axis Bank, and I will suggest that unless you see a breakout happening from this level for around 630, or a breakdown happening from the level 490, it's better not to trade it. And possibly this is what I think is this might break down. If we see the business of Axis Bank, uh, if you see the profit has been decreasing from last few years. So it was this is annual report, so we are seeing how the annual profit is going. So from here to here it was a good rise, right? So it was 400, 500,000, 1,800 to 6,000 and 7,000, 8,000. So profit has been increasing till March 2016, and now we see that here the profit is decreasing. So from last 2 years something wrong is going with Axis Bank, and that's why it's not performing, and the same is reflected in the chart also, right? So this is since uh, Feb 2015. So from 2 years business is not doing good, and the same is reflected in the chart in the form of ending diagonals. So guys, it's better that you avoid Axis Bank and possibly wait for a breakdown happening from this level. But then only thing is, since Bank Nifty is in bull mode, it might drag it up, and that's why this is currently able to move in a range, as it might have broken down earlier. So and if you see RSI is also in a range, so it is oscillating between 40 and 60. So definitely Axis Bank has currently no strength to go up. We will see what happens in coming days, but currently there is no trade in Axis Bank unless we either break out or break down, and possibly my bet is that it might break down. So let's see what is going to happen in Axis Bank in coming days. That's it for now. If you have any further questions, you can ask me in the comment section. And if you want to join my WhatsApp group, then you can ping me on the number provided in the description. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.